wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best makeup mirrors. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the double-sided decobros tabletop is an attractive model that conveniently rotates 360 degrees and is equipped with a durable frame that should last for years. It's stable enough to not tip over easily, yet light enough to pick up and move around as needed. It has a diameter of 8 inches and the surface doesn't show fingerprints. However, the magnified side can look distorted. At number 9, with its 5-inch diameter, the fancii compact can easily be tucked into a handbag, but it's still big enough to give you a decent view of your face for touch-ups on the go. It's available in glossy black as well as rose gold. It's slim and lightweight and offers both a 1x and 10x magnification, but the batteries for the light don't last long. Coming in at number 8 in our list, the kdkd double-sided charges using a micro USB cable, and once done, the battery can last for up to 3 weeks with normal daily use. Made from white ABS plastic and chrome-plated stainless steel, it's both durable and easy on the eyes. It offers a simple one-button control and comes with a cleaning cloth. However, the light is not as bright as other options. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for makeup mirrors, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the decobros extension is a wall-mounted option that folds away nearly flush for a clutter-free counter space. It's a good choice for small vanity areas where every bit of room counts, or for use when standing at a bathroom sink. It's equipped with a long expanding arm and swivels to any angle, but it is a touch stiff to move at first. Moving up our list to number 6. The bulbs surrounding the waneway vanity will of course help with your beauty regimen, but they might also make you feel like a Hollywood star. The touch controls are easy to use and can be used to adjust the brightness and color temperature. It rotates 360 degrees and has a solid metal frame. However, the included power cord is a bit short. Halfway up our list at number 5, the rechargeable simplehuman sensor turns on automatically as your face approaches and provides a bright and natural looking light thanks to its proprietary TrueLux system. The surgical-grade LEDs should last for a very long time. It offers a moderate 5x magnification and is available in 4 finishes, but it is on the pricey side. At number 4, the mirrorvana frameless can be adjusted to almost any angle using the convenient handle so you don't leave any fingerprints. The heavy base keeps it stable, while the non-magnifying surface provides a clear and accurate reflection without any distortion. It provides whole face coverage and the edges are beveled. The base detaches for storage. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, busy individuals will appreciate the thoughtful features on the ihome Reflect 2, with both Siri and Google compatibility and hands-free speakerphone capabilities. It allows you to check on the weather or traffic and take phone calls while applying blush. It boasts a USB port for charging devices and echo-cancelling technology. The light and audio work independently. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for makeup mirrors, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the airexpect trifold offers 3 color modes so you can check out your reflection in warm and cool lighting. It also has a handy built-in tray on the base that can hold a few of your most frequently used grooming tools and products. Its memory function saves your settings, and grooves keep brushes from rolling away. It comes in white, black and pink. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the glamcor Riki Skinny has a magnetic surface to which you can stick the included phone holder, so you can snap a photo to share on social media or with friends. It's an ultra-slim design with a detachable magnified circle and an easy-to-use control panel. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for makeup mirrors, or simply click beneath this video.